Hi, this is Sandhya. Today's topic is applying CLM patch. After the main version or the main CLM release is being deployed on the environment, there are continuous enhancement features or defect fixes being available in the latest patch which is being delivered. So the recommendation is that environment should be always on the latest patch. So the agenda to cover this topic is preparing and installing CLM patch, how to validate the installed patch, and troubleshooting the patch failures. Moving on the first topic, that is preparing and installing CLM patch. We will follow a demo on this topic. So you have to copy the installer from the EPD site and copy it in the AR and the platform manager server. You need to unzip it and you will find a disk one folder under that, and double click on the setup application. So if you have a platform manager and a AR server on different machines, you need to copy this installer on both the servers and apply the patch on it. In this demo, we are covering a compact deployment, so we would be executing this installer only once. So in the first screen, you can see instructions are being given on DB backup and snapshots on customization. So please go through this note, which is very important. And you can see the highlighted one, like this patch is applicable only to the platform manager and the AR server. The first screen is on the credentials and the hostname of the AR server. So we have to give the username with administrator permissions. In here you can see the overview of the patch, that is the version of the latest patch and the deployment which is being selected by the installer. So installer has started and you can see it's been completed successfully. The next slide is how to validate the install patch. So here we will cover how to check the patch versions, how to get the install logs, and how to check the backups which is being created by the patch installer before actually applying the patch. So now we are on the end system and we are currently at the CLM patch installer location. In there you can see a patch application tracker file. So this tracker file updates or keep a track of all the patch being applied on this particular system. So let's see what's there in the file. You can see this is the latest patch which have been applied. Then let's go to check the backup being created by the installer. So we are currently in the platform manager. You can see it creates a backup of configuration lib. So these are the original lib files which are being backed up by the installer before the actual libs and the files are being replaced by the installer. So this is for the AR which we have checked. Then let's check the logs being created by the installer. So we have a logs folder out here which copies all the logs, installer logs here. So we can check for any severe or warning messages in case of failures. Next topic for discussion is the troubleshooting areas. So we have listed few of the common issues which we face for the failures. So the first issue is like you cannot launch installer on the Linux platform. So the resolution for this is the required RPM packages to explore the display should be installed on the Linux platforms. The next issue is like after patches being applied, we see a message like AR service is not started. The resolution for that is manually restart the AR services and try to relog in the system. The next issue is like enhancements or updates are not getting reflected in the mid-tier. For this, you need to clear the mid-tier cache and the local browser cache and then access the system. So in this demo, you have learned how to apply patch and troubleshoot the common issues. Thank you.